Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Sleep Assistant on the Sleepless Android app. To use the Sleep Assistant, you can tap right here and scroll down to Sleep Assistant. Now you will be communicating with the Sleep Assistant. You can choose one of the options, for example, summarize my sleep quality, which then will prompt the Sleep Assistant to analyze it and give you a rundown of your data. Though it is powered by some sort of an AI, so it may not always talk accurately, but it is better than nothing, I guess. You can ask it many different questions to summarize your sleep quality, just in general, many different things. After asking the question, you can try asking your own question if it's not on the list. For example, how can I sleep better? Send it and the AI is going to analyze it and give you an answer. But it is AI, so as I said, it may not always be the most accurate thing in the world. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.